Welcome to Try Manifesting. Today's topic is manifesting money. Whether it's for financial freedom or paying off debt, this method will help align your mindset with wealth. Let's get started. Step 1. Set your intentions clearly. Ask yourself, how much money do you want and why do you need it? Very important, be specific. Instead of saying, I want more money, say, I manifest $1,000 within the next month to cover my bills and savings. Write it down and keep your focus on that goal. Step 2. Visualize yourself. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already having the money. See the numbers in your bank account. Feel the excitement of financial ease. The key here is to embody the emotions you would feel as if it's already yours. Step 3. Use affirmations daily. Repeat phrases like, money flows to me effortlessly, I am worthy of wealth, or I attract money in expected and unexpected ways. Say them with confidence and belief, even if it feels a bit strange at first. Step 4. Take inspired action. Manifesting is not just about thinking, it's about doing. If your gut feelings say you to apply for a job, start a side hustle, or say, let go to attract more, follow that instinct. The universe works best when you meet it halfway. Step 5. Practice gratitude. Appreciate the money you already have, no matter how small. Gratitude opens the door to more blessings. Each time you receive money, even a few coins, say thank you, with joy and sincerity. Manifesting money is a journey of belief, action, and alignment. Start today, trust the process, and watch how abundance flows into your life. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Try Manifesting for more manifesting tips.